One swivel wheel and it's delicious, bro. There? Yep. Now for now. That was so random. Yep. That couch just adds up. Just right here, I'm swapping everything out. Back. Now I'm gonna sit and gonna break tired, bro. Nah. No, I just touched it. It's not like this. Because it was connected, bro. YouTube, what up? Welcome to the space. So this is called Studio 4. We were 2 doors down for the past 3 years. They offered me this space. I checked it out. I was like, I can make something shake in this joint. Like, this is solid. So I'm gonna give y'all a quick tour. And yeah, I'm gonna just show y'all around. Like, this is a creative space that I wanted to create for creatives to express themselves, specifically with hair. So right here we have the waiting area. I love this couch, I saw it. I got it on Wayfair. I don't gatekeep, I mean, it's not really that deep. This is pretty straightforward. We got, you know, some plants, snack bar, drink bar, and then we have another snack bar right here with some chips. This is my product display for when I drop 4 hair products. Make sure you go subscribe to that YouTube channel. And then right above that, we have our price list. That's important. Every salon or shop should have a price list. Right here is one of my favorite art pieces in here. This is Philly culture. So we have the map of the city. Fortunately, it doesn't get the northeast section of the city, but it pretty much has every other section of the city. Right here, we have the transit system. Philly has a great transit system. I guess you could compare it to New York, but simpler. It's kind of like New York's transit system, but much simpler. Fairly simple. I'm gonna show y'all the map. If you've ever been here, you know, like, we're in the trenches, but it's very convenient. You can literally get to New York from here. You can get to any city, DC, like Baltimore, DC's down here, Philly airport's down here, Harrisburg, Pittsburgh's up here, Norristown, Trenton, and then New York and New Jersey. So this is like the downtown part. We're like right here. Great location. We're right near the highway. So this is my room, and I took this room because 1, I don't need a lot of space, and 2, I wanted to really have a space dedicated to take videos. I don't need a backdrop in here, as you can see. I have my lights hung on the wall, so when I turn them on, it's great lighting. It's like a room inside of like a room kind of. The tops, I'll show you. It's like I could still hear everyone because it's like cut off from the top. You can see I don't need a backdrop. I can shut this door. Sometimes I record with it shut for that clean background, but I don't know. Sometimes the door just adds a... See, I have a complex mind. Like I think in colors, and sometimes you need an extra color to balance an image out. Like for example, these colors, forget the orange, but these colors balance each other out. It's like they're polar opposites. So it's like, this feels right. So there's actually 2 rooms. This is the second room, same exact space, same size as the other one. My goal for this space is to have a braider or a loctician in here. I think that'd be perfect, a perfect addition to the space. So right here we got the TV, and this is the floor space. So I built 3 stations here. This is Rios' station, this is a blank station. We have a student barber that's been practicing here, but my goal with the floor space is to create a spacious environment. I'm not, like if you look at barbershop owners, typically they're trying to maximize their income, which there's no problem with that. So they stack it with like 17 chairs and there's no breathing room. But this is Rios' station, nice and spacious right here. Every station comes with a backdrop. That was big for me because if I have a backdrop and I have a clean background, I want the people I work with to have the same thing so that no one has excuses. Like Rios makes content. Like I want every barber in here to make content because again, this is a private, studio. Clients aren't just gonna show up out of thin air, or you're not just gonna get clients because I have clients. It doesn't work like that. Like Rios has to generate his own clients. Anyone who works here has to generate their own, clients. So creating content, that's how you market yourself. And that's exactly what we teach in the School of Barbering. We teach you how to make content, how to charge more for a haircut, and how to get good at cutting hair, because that's the first step. If you're interested in signing up, click the link down below. It'll give you kind of a briefing of what it is if you're still confused. It's a short video. Just go ahead, click that link and watch it. Over here is another blank station. Again, it has a backdrop too. Lots of space. Like this is perfect. Lots of space. I like the stations right here. I gathered feedback from people, they like it too. Like I don't like when you have to turn around for a station. Like a station should just be like boom, 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 like not. This is the next station, have just some art. My aunt made me this, if you're familiar with the channel. And if you've been locked in with me for a minute, you remember when she made me this. And you can see there's a pathway. So when clients need to get through, it's a spacious pathway. Inside here is the break room. Very simple, 2 chairs, a seat, fridge, microwave. Over here is our shampoo bar. All the shampoo equipment you need. All types of shampoos. Got our dryer, hamper, towels, towel warmer, plant, straightforward, bada boom, bada bang. Right here is our stage. Utility sink, whenever I have products and I just run over here, boom, boom. Before I eat, boom, boom. This is the stage. So this is where we're gonna be doing education. But look, I got a secret. We come over here, boom. This happens. Whoa. So we have a spotlight light, which is perfect for the stage. And the lighting is like on a setting where it kind of flickers, but you can see it's perfect, for a presentation, cutting hair, perfect. I do want to hang a TV though, a TV that you could plug into the camera, HDMI, and it's just like, basically like a monitor. I do want that just for classes and stuff like that, but you can see this is super dope. The lighting it gives. We have our showcasing wall, so I installed some lights up here. If I go like that, and then those lights, basically some spotlight. So we have a bar light and then some spotlight lights. Then I bought this thing. It's basically a spinny. When we do those creative cuts that need to be showcased in a model-like fashion, this is when we use this. In here is our closet. It's pretty much like a walk-in closet, but We have a lot of stuff in storage right now. I'll show you guys, but it's kind of full. So in here, I've shown you guys this before. Basically everything a barber would ever need. Extra paint, everything. Everything. So yeah. Also, this is the tripod hub. Got like 6 right here. I think 2 back there. If you would have asked me 5 years ago what I wanted, this is literally it. Shout out to all my clients, shout out to my family, shout out to God, most importantly, for guiding me through this journey. Just the beginning though. You know, we're about to launch 4 hair products. We just launched School of Barbering. So I appreciate all the support I've been getting on YouTube. Shout out to y'all, it's your boy 4, and I'm out. Peace.